No one goes down this alleyway anymore, alone at night in the dark. 'Cause in the olden days, this is where prisoners went to get hung. They call it the Dead Man's Walk. This is where the prisoners, the inmates, were hung at the gallows. Hear that? That was the screams of the prisoners, cursing the guards that they'd one day be back. No reason to be alarmed, viewer. We are okay. But this is where they got hung by a noose. And sometimes people say they can feel the noose around their neck and the feel of dread and guilt over them. That up there is the gallows.